Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon, but if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's their website will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And let's see what's inside here, guys. It is weekend. And let's see what we got. And you just have to check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And we have here, got something. Ooh, Android smart TV box. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Right here, the main unit. You get HDMI, normal kind. Here we go. Good thing they have to connect the protectors on. And we got a remote control. Standard, kind of looks like a Roku remote. Probably AAA, most likely. Got those once I set this whole thing up. Yep, AAA it is. So you get two, oh. And then the power. There we go. And we don't need the directions. Should be easy to set up. So you can run off your Netflix, all your apps into one spot. Be good for an extra bedroom or, maybe somewhere on the road, hotel room or something. At least you have this, it's lightweight. You just hook it up to pretty much anything now these days. Laptops. We got the H10Plus XGODY. Oh yeah, this is Amazon, so that'll be an Amazon unboxing. They got SP, DIP, AV, HD, and the power, and Ethernet. How about I do this Wi-Fi? Got the USBs on the side, TF card right there, and this must be the time display. Pretty cool. Nothing too fancy dancy. I mean, it's not big shape or anything. You can put this anywhere. It won't take up any room. Super thin. So definitely something to check out. Once I hop over to the other computer, I'm going to hook this up to the TV monitor and test this thing out. So there's no antennas. Just straight up. There you go. Two USBs. And all that good stuff right there. And like I said, it's pretty simple. Everyone should know how to just plug it in. Grab this. I gotta see if I got a spot open for a power cord. So, let's plug it in. Definitely got an HDMI, so I don't need to use this one. But we'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. We got it all set up. Got the Android smart box. Just gotta download my DirecTV and all that good stuff. All those apps. So it lights up right there. Nice blue LED. So good size. Everything runs smooth. You got tons of apps, Netflix you can add on. Just enter your info and then put in Prime Video, HBO Max, the Disney Plus. So yeah, you gotta do is download from the Play Store. And this guy up here, everyone knows what KD is. So definitely check him out, XGODY on Amazon. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.